I can't come and play with you.
Why not?
I'm so busy. I wish I was a kid. Oh wow, what's happening? My body's changing. These are my friends. Look at me, I'm a child at Genesis. Hello, my friends.
Hello, Cindy.
9 and 2. 12. Draw a cloud.
Here's my paper, Teacher Gabby. Thank you. Yesterday we painted the ocean, and today we are sticking on seaweed, fishes, and seashells.
Well done. There we go.
It's sing.
It sings and it floats. Okay, let's check. Oh.
I love elephants. I love elephants. Oh, look at this book. A book on Dumbo.
Fire truck and
Yippee, today we get to swim. Yippee, in we go. It's time to walk around the garden. Oh, look at the beautiful trees and the birds. Wow, I'm back. That was so incredible. Guys, you've got to come and join Genesis Preschool. Come and meet me and my friends. We'll have so much fun together.